right, so we're going to look at Google Sheets. So this is kind of like Microsoft Excel. This is Google's version. So each of these little boxes, each one of these are called cells. And then your vertical rows are columns. Your horizontal are rows. So vertical is column, horizontal is row. Okay. So once you open it up, we're going to kind of reformat it so we can read our cells a little better. So if you look at it like email address, you can't see the whole word, it's cut off. Same here, phone number, it's cut off. So I'm going to just highlight this row. And the easiest way to do this is go to these formatting options right here. This one with the arrow for text wrapping. If you click the center one, it's going to take your sentences and make a second row within this cell. So I'm going to click that, and now I can see all of my headings. Then I'm going to go ahead and center everything horizontally within the cell. You can also center things vertically. So if you look right here, it says parent last name, how it's sitting at the bottom of the cell. If you click this one right, so horizontal alignment, vertical alignment, you can hit the center and it puts it in the middle of the cell. You can also grab with your cursor and kind of adjust it this way. I can make this one a little smaller since names are smaller to make everything fit on the page. Just click and drag and adjust. I'm going to stretch this one out a little bit so you can see second grade. This one too, so you see how you can't see the whole thing? So you can either stretch it out or you can highlight this row. You can click it, hit shift, click your bottom one to select all, or you can click it up here at the letter I, which is the column title, and it'll select the entire column. And you can text wrap that as well, and it'll make it all come out. The only problem with doing it that way is it spaces out the rest of your form, so I don't really like doing that. I kind of know what the rest of this said, so I just leave it, but up to you. And then sizes. Okay, you can delete cells by coming up here to the top and 2 fingers, and you can go to delete. You can also just hide it. So you don't want to delete it, you might need it later. So just go down and hit hide column and it'll go away. If you look closely, there's a little triangle that showed up now. If you click it, it opens up that hidden column back up. So I'm going to hide that again. Some of the things that are really important to learn is formatting it. So if you want it easier to read, you can put your responses in order by alphabetical order, so by last names. I'm going to go up here, click, go ahead and hide that for right now. Click your top cell and go all the way to the bottom right-hand side of your sheet and select the whole thing. Or you can go up here and just click this blank square in the top, and that selects your entire sheet. Then you're going to go to Data, Sort Range, Advanced Range Options. Now, I'm going to click Data has a header row. That is that first row that has email, parent name, last name, all of that. It has that. So now I'm going to sort by that row. I'm not going to sort by timestamp. I want to sort it by parent's last name. So I'm going to go and find that column, parent last name, and hit sort. So now all of my names are in alphabetical order. So the whole sheet is now organized. That's probably the most important thing that you're going to need to know with sheets. So let's do it again and sort it a different way. Let's sort it by grade level. So if you may need it sorted by age for your club. So I'm going to go up here, click this empty box. I'm going to go back to Data, Sort Range, Advanced, Data has a header row, and this time we're going to do by grade level and hit Sort. And so now everything is sorted by grade level. Okay, I think that's really all you need to know with Google Sheets. You won't be using it very much for anything else. You can format it, play with the formatting. You can highlight the whole thing. You could add borders to it. So that would just add your lines if that makes it easier for you to see. You can play with formatting if you want your stuff to go at angles like that, or straight, or vertical, however you want them to be. This is math. You're not really going to use that yet, but that would just be if this was $30, this was $50, 60, 80, 80, Let's just do a bunch of 80s. 80. Let's say all these kids paid $80. You want to see how much money you made. You're going to highlight it. Go up here and hit this functions and hit sum, and then you'll hit enter, and it's going to show you the total amount that you're getting right there. You can also sum it horizontally that way if you want to it that way. I really don't think you're going to be using this for anything else. There you go.